In this video, let us see how you can add a default filter as well as mandatory default filter in Encarta dashboard. I want to add department as a mandatory default filter, which user should be able to change. I also want to add job title and gender as a default filter. When user opens the dashboard, it will not select any value to filter by for job title and gender. That's what default filter means in Encarta, which shows up, but no value is pre-selected for the user. So let's see how you can do this in Encarta. Let's go ahead and select these three filters here. And department, I want to make it default as well as mandatory. So let's select some of these here and click on filter and make it mandatory. And for job title, let's make it default but not select anything. And for gender, make it default but not select anything. That means in the dashboard, when user opens this dashboard, user will see these three filters. Nothing is selected for these two, so it's not being filtered by job title and gender. But for department, we have selected few values shown here, and Encarta is filtering it by that. And I can filter it by this as well here, and whatever I select, it shows up here. And then for gender, I can select some value and then filter it further, right? Now these filter I can completely remove if I want as a user, and this user will not be able to remove. User will always have to select this filter, but user will not be able to remove it. If I refresh the dashboard, that is user coming to this dashboard for the first time, user will always see this filter right there in the dashboard, and user can pick and choose what filter they need to apply.